In this video, I will tell you how to hide files and folders in Windows 11 quickly and easily without downloading any extra programs. This is useful if you want to keep private files out of sight, organize your desktop better, or simply hide folders that you do not want other people to notice immediately. First, find the file or folder you want to hide, then right-click it and open Properties. Inside the Properties window, look near the bottom for an option called Hidden. Simply check that box, then click Apply and OK. After that, Windows will make the file or folder invisible as long as hidden items are disabled in File Explorer. If the folder still appears visible, it usually means hidden items are currently enabled on your system. To fully hide the folder, open File Explorer, click View, then Show and disable hidden items. Once you do that, the hidden folder should disappear instantly from normal view. Keep in mind that this is more of a basic privacy feature and not real security, because anyone who enables hidden items again can still see the folder. But for simple organization or hiding personal files from plain sight, this method works perfectly and takes only a few seconds. Thanks for watching. I would be very happy if you would become one of the subscribers of this channel. Check out the suggested videos and also leave a like under this video. See you soon.